Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing ABML, DATS, GFAI, ILST, KGKG, ILACF, LTMCF, MULN, TKAT, VAPR, AMC, and NILE. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and education purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, remember to smash the thumbs up button if you like this video. Also hit the red subscribe button, little notification bell to be notified when we go live with a new video. Also go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com. This is where subscribers get first look at stocks we're going to be covering. These are day and swing trade short-term momentum penny stock alerts. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'll be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And since we release all of our profiles at the opening bell, text messaging is the fastest way to get our alerts. You can also click the red download ebook to get the free Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. What a lackluster week in penny stocks. No triple-digit runners. OTC, boring. I'm so happy to put March behind us. We now need to focus on April. Let's see what Monday's price action will bring. Not a lot to get excited about. I was debating about not even doing a video, but I owe it to you guys to give you my thoughts on the market, what's happening, and dive in here. First up is ABML. I talked about this one last weekend. Nothing fantastic, but positive on the week. Slow, steady climber. With their recycling plant, they're building their pilot plant. This is the answer to our lithium shortage, our battery materials shortage. There's a strong demand. Biden is looking at enacting Cold War powers to focus on securing domestic production of critical rare earths. With the Russia-Ukraine battle going on, then also with our disputes with China. That's where we get a lot of our rare earth supplies, and the U.S. needs to become more self-sufficient, and that's where ABML comes into play with their recycling plant. So a lot of excitement about ABML, and the price action is showing that. We just moved above the 200-day moving average at $1.30. We closed above there. Let's see if we can test $2 this week. Next up is DATS. Talked about that this week. We called it hot penny stock number 1. Congrats if you caught this move this week. Not a bad mover. DATS was up 65% for the week. We'll take it. I mean, it is what it is, and you got to take what you can in these markets. Just don't get greedy. I can't stress this enough. Buy dips, sell rips, book profits along the way, and move on to the next play. Don't fall in love with anything right now, guys. It's just not that type of market. Next up is GFAI, up 54% for the week. This is a major short squeeze play. 64% of the float is short, and there's just 9.43 million shares in the float. We broke above this trend line resistance. Next resistance is not until $3.50. So we hit $2 on just under $2 to close the week. Let's see how the price action is next week, but this is a major short squeeze opportunity that we are watching here at insiderfinancial.com. If they put out some more news next week, we could really squeeze the shorts. So definitely one you want to be watching. Next up is ILST. I talked about this one in my last video. This is a Karen Courier reverse merger play. It's just been a nice steady climber all week, up 53%. Just waiting for the merger to be announced. We got catalysts at play. ILST is one that you definitely want to have on your radar. I just ran right into the 200-day moving average of 0.0093. We close above a penny next week. This one could really get moving. Next up is KGKG. They are now selling in Walmart. We got the big news in March. It spiked on the news and pulled back to double zeros. Now we're making another climb. Just been putting out a lot of news. So KGKG is one providing opportunities right now if you are buying dips, selling rips. Next up is two lithium plays, LIACF and LTMCF. As I said, there's a shortage of raw materials for EV batteries, and lithium plays are getting hot. We follow the lithium sector here at insiderfinancial.com. Be looking for some new plays in the sector for our subscribers. So make sure you are signed up at signup.insiderfinancial.com. Lithium plays are hot. This is one sector you want to be in and taking advantage of the opportunities that come your way. Next up is MULN. We've been talking about this one since it was under $1, ran to $4, pulled back to $2. We got to move up above $3. It's again buy dips, sell rips. The CEO is getting ready to announce a major contract with a Fortune 500 company. He teased that this week. Once we get that announcement, it's going to fire things up. So definitely MULN is one you want to have on your radar screen. Just keep buying dips, selling rips. It shall be interesting as we battle the shorts here in MULN. Next up is TKAT. This is an NFT play, small float, just 8.74 million shares in the float. Nice move to close the week, up 61%. It rallied. We're gonna run into resistance right here at $5. This trend line here, but we got still we close at 364. So the next resistance is $5, guys. If you are new to my channel or are regular followers, regular viewers, I talk about finviz.com a lot, finviz.com. The trend lines, the moving averages, everything is drawn there for you. And as I'll talk about in two other examples, these if you follow these basics here, it's easy money, easy trades, no-brainer types of plays, and that's what I like here. Last up on the OTC is VAPR. This has just been an incredible runner. It's been a sleeper. I wish I would have paid attention to what was going on here. I missed this one for my subscribers. I'm so bummed. This has just been a nice play. They're transitioning to be an EV company. Just a $6 million market cap. Been putting out a lot of news. Change control. They're now a EV motors play. So we're going to be doing a symbol change, name change. And they're getting into the EV space. So again, this is a space you want to be in and find these undiscovered plays. Let's see how it plays out. It's had quite a bit of a run, but not on big volumes. So VAPR, it's been under the radar. I think it should be on your radar. I don't know if I'd go chasing it here. Let's see if there is a pullback or there's major news. This is one we will be following for our subscribers. If something is worth sending out a full report, we will certainly do that. So VAPR is on our radar, and I think it should be all also on your radar screen as well. Lastly, guys, two meme stocks here is AMC and NILE. AMC I talked about in last weekend, guys. I said, we had bounced off this trend line support. When we got above here at 20, I said we were going to run to 30. It ran like clockwork to 30, just under 35, and has pulled back to 23.30. Now, guys, don't get into the diamond hands, paper hands BS. If you follow FinViz, if you followed me, I told you how this was going to play out. Once it got above 20, it was going to run to 30 and then pull back because it was going to run into major resistance at $30. And it did exactly as I said. This was a no-brainer. You didn't have to do a lot of thinking about this. It was just so plainly evident what was going to happen. And these are the types of trades, I'm not saying to go short AMC at 30 or 35 because that's just risky. This thing is a meme stock, a meme stock. It could have ran to 50, but it told you where to scale out and book some profits. So, that's what I was trying to help you guys, was where to get out and make some money and guarantee yourself some profits. And that was done like clockwork in AMC. Lastly is NILE. We talked about this one last week. Bounced off trendline support just under 60 cents, rallied to $1. And again, this is what I'm talking about. Ran right into the trendline resistance. We closed at 77 cents. So guys, learn to, just go to FinViz. You don't have to learn how to draw. It's drawn for you. You see where support, you see where resistance is. It's basics. Buy at support, sell at resistance, move on. Don't get into this. Again, please, don't get into diamond hands, paper hands, BS. You're in to make money business. That's all that matters. It's your P&L at the end of the day. Not being in love or an ape or, go and do or die. You're going to end up broke if you play that game. Just make money, move on to the next play. If you follow our channel here at insiderfinancial.com, on YouTube, our profiles, we're not talking about all the same profiles over and over. We're always looking for new plays, new opportunities, and that's how you last in this business. That's why, I've been doing this over 20 years. Insiderfinancial.com's been around almost 10 years. We know what we're doing, and don't fall in love with any particular play. It will help you a lot with your sanity, and you will be a much more profitable trader. And that's all. At the end of the day, that's what it all comes down to: how much money you make, and the food that you put on your table for your family. Buying that second home, buying that Ferrari or second car, third car, fourth car, going on vacations. It's all about building wealth. So that's how you do it in the long run. Buy dips, sell rips, and book profits along the way. You will change your life completely if you get into that. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend. I will be coming live to you Monday after the bell with a new video, and let's see if April we can make some big money in April. Let's fingers crossed. Let's hope that April is a much better month than March. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful weekend, and I'll talk to you all on Monday after the close. Bye bye.